The information presented in the text is based on a recent scientific study, and the general findings are being discussed in the medical community. The key points you mentioned are supported by research, primarily from a team at the University of New Mexico, UNM, which investigated the link between gadolinium and oxalic acid. Gadolinium-oxalic acid link. The study demonstrated in vitro, in a test tube, that oxalic acid can cause small amounts of gadolinium to break away, dechelate, from the contrast dye and form gadolinium oxalate nanoparticles. Health risk. These nanoparticles are theorized to be able to enter cells and deposit in tissues, potentially explaining the mechanism behind adverse effects like nephrogenic systemic fibrosis, NSF, and other lingering symptoms in some patients. Dietary advice. Based on this mechanism, the researchers involved in the study, like Dr. Brent Wagner, have suggested that patients avoid high oxalate foods, like spinach, nuts, chocolate, and vitamin C supplements, which can metabolize into oxalate, before a contrast-enhanced MRI. It's important to note. This is a breakthrough discovery explaining a possible mechanism, and the study was primarily in vitro. Further research is needed to definitively confirm the clinical impact of this interaction in all patients. The advice to avoid high oxalate foods and vitamin C is a precautionary recommendation from the researchers, not yet a universally adopted, mandatory clinical guideline from major regulatory bodies. You should always follow the specific instructions provided by your own doctor or imaging center.